Yes. So guys, this is the space heater. You got your settings on the top here. Heating element right in the center there. You have a fan back here. Also, it has a mesh little filter inside here with a screwdriver. You can remove that for cleaning. On and off button right on here, and this is where your power supply goes. This does have a tip over feature, so this, once pushed in, so if it's let like this and tips over, it will automatically turn off. Let's go ahead and turn this on. It'll beep to let you know that it's on. You got these lighting effects on here. Got a couple modes on here as well. So, white, red, and dark red. Let's test the feature here. So if it tips over, it turns it off. Let's say it puts, back in place. It turns on, but you actually have to manually start it then, which is actually good. That's very good. Alright, so this is going to be your fan mode. Press it, and we're going to see here. And now we're actually going to demonstrate to see how well this is working. So here we can see now it's going to fluctuate depending on where the laser points. But this is Fahrenheit. As you can see, 117 degrees. 111. 140. 148. So this is the actual temperature inside. As we move it along, it will show different positions. 190. So there's a 190 that's probably in the center. 220. 230 degrees. So that is the heat, 240. And that's the heat being pushed out. And you could definitely feel that. This is actually a really nice small space heater. Perfect for small to medium sized rooms. Or at your desktop or in your working office area. Very nice. And you do got a controller. And you can turn on the oscillating. And here you can see how it moves. Kind of blows the heat around a little bit. Overall, very nice space heater. I like this, and I love the LED lights on here. Very nice.